Introducing Notilus Dude, your design helper. We design on small screens, which can make it difficult to understand the real scale and volume of a space. That is where Notilus Dude comes in. Designing a seat and want to verify its height? Working on a galley and need to check cupboard accessibility? Want to see whether the area you designed is accessible for welding? Designing a piping system and want to evaluate serviceability? Then call Notilus Dude. Place him anywhere in your Rhino model, adjust his position and posture, and instantly understand how a real person would interact with your design. Use preset positions such as sitting and T-pose to work even faster. Design with better scale, accessibility, and confidence. Try Notilus Dude for free.